Hey you guys, welcome! In today's video, I'm going to be planting onions. I have one growing here already, but it's onions that I got from like the store, just organic yellow onions that I cut it and you'll see how I grew the roots and then I just threw them in here because in my little list here, it said that I could plant the onions. I'll show you a picture that I could plant the onions October 10th through October 20th, but I later realized it meant seeds, not bulbs. Anyway, my face group told me, my Facebook gardening group told me that they plant them in January here in El Paso, Texas. I'm in zone 8A, and they do it in January. So I'll plant some more in January, but we'll see how these go. 12 days later, the first one I planted was growing. Yay! So since I had two more growing roots indoors by my windowsill, I planted those that day also. I then found this packet of green scallions that I had, so I decided to plant those too. The seeds are super tiny, so you just have to place them on top gently. Don't dig them in too much. And these in the back over here are my cucumbers. In case you were wondering, there's a video on that also. 6 weeks after planting the first onion, she's coming along nicely. But the other two that I planted 4 weeks ago, I still don't see life, but that's okay. And this is the green scallions 20 days after sowing. You can see the tiny little seed heads right there. And I grew roots to another fourth onion indoors, so I decided to plant that one also. I didn't show you, but this bed was already filled with tree branches, leaves, and a compost soil mix that I bought at our local nursery. This is my first time trying Near Source and Pro Mix soils for the top, so I also added worm castings and blended that in. The hubby also added this hardware to the bed to stabilize it if you want to watch that video. And that's it for this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay tuned and see how my store-bought onions and scallions hold up. And if you're interested to watch my cucumber video, click on the links above or below. And I use my dead sunflower stems as a trellis for my cucumbers. There's a video on that too if you want to click on the links in the description area. Thank you so much for watching Garden Dreams and DIY Schemes. See you later.